Bia Kamal Kanwar online TV channel Kajan Guaseme Bana Wrestling Dol Misha Dol Rewich ka South Sudan Guase Sharan SPLM Mentipin Dr. Yang Machaten Mesha Jo Chire Wich ka Guase Dan Esha Je Wich Kirma Yadit Chuachu Gurno Bajo Nagre Duare Kashuro Chubarre Rope Ndola Bana Kulinga Dol Dan Shakula Dol ka Yambio Aquaren Chidot Wiquam Jen Bukono Kulalingo Kanane Dialan Kontin Shika dot kel Kim Laden Dong de lat ki ngumedero da lat jen Bukon Lingono ko ni to wan chika dwal longre wichin binami kore wika Yambio take bon to wan tititin katia spele mayo take re wichin gwasum ban je chu tokan lera mi jirama jidit ko subscribe ko bilar ti chamala shukaje an lera bana linga shukuma SPLM kuma mente pinkir ma yadit shadol ka bon ki partni kan bonden konin jadol ka te SPLM ayo teten kana bonten kokien dol ka rei wich ka Yambio Western Equatoria ka kuimala ka do badan dong de ka chenga ja ko chala do wich te ken security midi te lo te ka rek etin lat karodian andola meni lat ke je ka kor ka me sha governor futuyo chaje wich futuyo ajara madanan la commissioner ka governor me kanana wich chaje wich kirma yadit ka war ki ka tuktiang ni ka jen gwasmo chwa governor fonde chwaje gor re duare ka Yambio gwad metetin kana jidware chwaje joj lo nakaje chu yet kana san gwasmo ka chwaje joj re wich chu rodo chu bare ro che gat ka ba cha ka rew dor tangan ke antama ka re shalat te ka ne tet ka UN atina ko ba nang re wich ka juba ba ko kam UN ko gwan ko yu gwad dan teten Canadian content dual kan ka queering itin kone itogon winami ala commentary wika Western Equatoria and political forum men kana lat ki dual kana yat pin ki malka kani o bi mal bedetin kana obnardien ngat tina bete pau koro ka tina budwal eko cha Governor General Alfred Futuyo Karaba chaja watch ka jelat ka war Karaba miram kel ka SPLM mayo men raike ki men budke Dr. Machar la President Kir kan first by President Riek Machar katin let ken ka do badanan de maldar ben kaje te kare rach chitke me shala ne karon kin dangre wal badak wa jen malamo gor ka jogdomo wa mal ron kin dangre wal badak mo jen queen ka kwadi ala te bonatin kontin de ping SPLM mayo ke ping Riek ma Dr. Riek Machar en rey mat kana me la ron kin dang rol badak ne diale konte shiro mat ka jen malamo te SPLM mayo tetin te SPLM tetin la dunkir ma yadit te opposition align tetin la soa kan political party tungwan re we ka sol kan party konde sha madare mal kana mo mal ron kin dang rol badak ko gor ga jen o bu mal batetin shagu jeno de dialan kontin nyon kana de ka matin no mo ko de ka woch duno on tama mo woy kana la ja woy ka kana kon lat ko ke dur dana ci dur bat ba woy ni ji nyong mo de tin bonne la woch wudi na mo ci SPLM party te ka lwanga ko de kana mi mo member dunga SPLM ayo de kana woch andol me walet kene ka kwiko ku kan promote peace La Ramadan ci do la governor ntame gun mishala Badagbu. Daniel Badagbu jen a member SPLM ruling party alote pinkir mayadit jala ramkel kaka jen nan gwad me menen yana me dolan ce dol ce ne dial ce kan nungtin ko bine dial bi kan mananan le rod bi kan bangach ke do badan dong de ga shenkel kaja nonga ka gwad mo ko bine dial bi kan manan le rod bi kan bangach citta ambele dual nunga je lat ka je ko bi mal baditin ke binad bi ka shenkel baje shi kwenya ka to English ko biya ta kula linga kwa South Sudan parties meet in Yambio to diffuse tensions. The government of Western Equatorial State hosted a one-day political forum on Thursday aimed at fostering peace, rebuilding trust, and strengthening cooperation among political parties. The forum followed recent tension and insecurity in the state capital, Yambio, and others area after President Salva Kiir unilaterally removed the state governor, General Alfred Futuyo Karaba, on Monday night. Futuyo is a member of the opposition SPLM party, SPLM-IO, led by Dr. Young Machar. After the decree, the residence of the ousted governor came under attack by elements allegedly linked to the army of SSPDF, and several other state government officials reported being targeted within Yambio. President Kiir and First Vice President Machar are working together to implement the 2018 peace agreement amid ongoing challenges. The agreement united various groups, including Kiir SPLM, SPLM-IO, the Opposition Alliance or SSOA or SOA, and other political parties in South Sudan. In an effort to ease tensions and promote peace in the state, acting governor Daniel Badagbu, a member of the ruling party SPLM, hosted a meeting that brought together all political parties for dialogue. After the meeting at the state secretariat, acting governor Daniel Badagbu Rabasa described the gathering as historic and emphasized its role in enhancing collaboration and ensuring stability following the removal of Governor Alfred Futuyo Karaba. The forum was crucial in strengthening our work relationships and addressing tensions that have emerged. Our priority is to foster unity and ensure political stability in Western Equatoria, Badagbu said. He reassured all political parties of their safety and urged leaders to work together, emphasizing the government's commitment to protecting all parties and their supporters. Some party members have expressed security concern, but I want to assure them that the government is here to provide security. We must unite as signatories to the peace agreement and work collectively to promote social cohesion. Badagbu also stressed the need for a united political front to create a conducive environment for peace and stability. He highlighted the importance of protecting civilians, reducing political tensions, and ensuring that government institutions remain functional. When our people see their leader working together, they will feel reassured. Our responsibility is to implement the peace agreement in both spirit and action so that citizens can express its benefits. So that citizens can experience its benefit, he said. The acting governor clarified that the state government has no issue with former Governor Alfred Futuyo Karaba and has not issued any warrant for his arrest. Yambio is a land of peace, not conflict. War is not part of the revitalized peace agreement and it must not be an option, he emphasized. Mary John Osman, representing SPLM-IO, called for calm and unity, reaffirming that the party remains committed to the government of South Sudan and the 2018 peace agreement. Leaders come and go, but what matters the most is stability. We remain united with the government and all other political parties. We should let political divisions separate us. We should not let political divisions separate us, she said. Osman also urged political leaders to embrace tolerance and mutual respect, likening political diversity to different religious denominations coexisting peacefully We need to love one another. Political parties should not be a source of division. We are all brothers and sisters, and our goal should be unity, she added. Simon Parakit, speaking on behalf of other political parties, OPP, welcomed the forum and reiterated the call for peace and security in the state. Our message is simple: we need peace, security, and the return of all those who have left, especially SPLMI member who resumed their duties, Parakiti said. The chairman of SSOA or SOA and Minister of State and Industry urged SPLMI member who had fled Yambio to return, commending the state government for maintaining peace in Western Equatoria. The forum concluded with a unified call for dialogue, cooperation, and commitment to implementing the 2018 peace agreement, ensuring stability, inclusivity, and political harmony in the state.